Welcome to the field of ice.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Pindot ah.
Pindot. Welcome to the field of shotgun. POV, you're a gamer and you see this.
Mata diri sa dara.
Look!
Ay, pilig video si mami.
We got some bananas.
Ay, shake ang kuwan.
Mars, what do you have to say about the bananas?
Iyo pag shake.
We're not gonna live in the wildlife. We're not gonna live here.
Sige na, Bi. Ibutang na, Bi. Ibutang there. Lain ng kakot pa. Takot pa. Ugma pa. Akong kapaligan. Yes, Lola. Ayaw dia sa may kwan.
Thank you for joining us in the wild.
I have something here in my hand and I want you to name this. It's not day 2, still day 1. What is the name of this?
Sugar cane.
This is a sugar cane. Don't you know that I love to kit the sugar cane? This strengthens your teeth. You try to kit. This is really sweet. Yan, nagkit po ano. Bite and sip. Bite and sip. Rami no. Isa, what can you say?
Man, this actually feels like drinking sugar. But it feels like eating sugar but melted.
Ikaw siya.
Ah! I just
Hi! Hey! Boys! Dahil yung small na spoon. So, ano. Ayaw pag... Ayaw sa ganito. Pag...
Cocoa juice.
Buko juice. Ayaw na pag-ikuan na. Ilangoy. Ang spoon. Guniti. Hold. Ayaw sa... Sige, tara. Kaon na. Iga, ana. Pero ana raw. Kuso na ninyo guys. Kala, tulo igang.
Cocoa meat.
Buko meat na. Tanawa. Buka mauna si Maris la, be. Okay, Maris. Eat it.
And I remember we eat this with the spoon.
Eat.
And in Marty's house, Marty didn't see us.
Ang ngawat mo buko.